ผัดกุ้ง
ผัดกุ้งใส่
สายเผ็ด
ต้องซ่อมซะก่อน
Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today here in the Mafia Kitchen we are going to make Pat Gung Sai Head. Gung is a shrimp, head is a mushroom. So this is going to be a stir-fried shrimp with mushroom. Anyway, let's see what's in the ingredients. Be here all day. There you go. Get in there. Well, this is our ingredients. It's pretty simple. This morning, me and Paige walked to the Fresh Mart and we bought some shrimp.
Cung. ตัวใหญ่ๆนั่นนะ
This is Thai chili pepper and garlic, carrots, and Chinese celery. And this is a couple different types of I don't know why we got two different ones, but just canned mushrooms. And that's the ingredients inside the stir fry. We have our normal sauces, soy sauce. We have oyster sauce, naman hoi. We have our sesame oil, white pepper, and sugar, namtan sugar. I bet there'll be something else. There always is. Anyway, we need a hot wok with a little bit of oil. We're gonna brown the garlic a little bit and then add the shrimp. Soy sauce, naman hoi, oyster sauce, vegetables or carrots. Wow, does that look good or what? Not again.
อยากกิน
Tapioca flour and water.
มันไม่แรงผัดแล้วมันไม่แรงมันไม่น่ากิน
I just bought her a new stove, but it seems like the flame is not as high as the old one. See if we can't figure it out later. Some white pepper. Sesame oil. Sesame seed oil.
น้ำตาลสักนิดนึง
Little bit of sugar.
เสร็จ
That's it.
เรียบร้อย
Leproy is complete.
ชิมดู
Okay, Kap.
ข้าวผัดข้าวหมูไปหมดเลยโอ้ยเสียใจจริง
Okay.
แซ่บ
Hello.
อร่อยจานนะ
Okay, Pat Kung Sai He. Aloy,
อร่อย
Pat.
มาก อ
Aloy.
ร่อย
Today is actually Sunday Fun Day, so we're gonna have quite a few guests tonight, or some guests, not too many. That's why I'm still wearing the Sunday Fun Day shirt. But we're gonna wait till dinner this evening and give it a try, along with a couple of other things.
เปลี่ยนเป็นนี้กินหมูกินธรรมดา
Well, not everybody's here yet, so let's give the stir fry a try.
โอ้ยอร่อยเป็นแต่ละข้อหาโอ้ยกลัวเดี๋ยวร้องอีกแกก็จะดึงไปว่ากันอะ
Aloy Mark. When we say chicken wings in the West, they don't look anything like that. Just barely the little tip. But that's what they like to eat here, and actually, it's pretty good. Actually. I don't know. I don't care. It's good with that sauce and Frank's red meat. We have some.
กี้แก้วดิโอ้ยลิ้นแล้วแม่ลิ้น
วิสกี้
ตัดไม้ซุ้มเกินหมดโอเค
Happy birthday.
บอกให้ขึ้นเลย
Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Pat Kung Sai He. Pat Kung Sai He. Anyway, it's an easy dish. I hope you try it. Stay tuned for another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.